Good afternoon po once again to all of you. Pwede ho bang pakibata yung katabi natin ng good afternoon din? So let us thank the Lord for gathering us in this beautiful Monday afternoon as we celebrate the 21st week in Ordinary Time Monday. You know, while reflecting on our readings today, particularly the Gospel, I remember a story that is told about this little boy who asked his father what is meant by the letter F sa kanyang report card. Sabi niya, "Daddy, anong ibig sabihin ng letter F dito sa natanggap ko sa aking card?" So, yung tatay nag-isip sandali at sinabi niya, "Anak, alam ko ibig sabihin ng letter F. Ibig sabihin niyan, fast." Ganun ba? Sabi nung bata. Sabi nung anak, akala ko kasi, Daddy, ang ibig sabihin ng letter F ay perfect. But we know already what it means, letter F, on the report card. My dear brothers and sisters, you see what happens when we pretend to know when we really don't. And when we pretend to be what we really are not. Honesty has become such a lonely word in our world. Sabi nga ng isang kanta. Because we are so much filled with pretenses, misinformation, misrepresentations, lies, and manipulations. As someone once said, mabuti pa ang tanghali tapat. Except for a few, we all have skeletons in our closets. Some are just more successful in hiding them. My dear brothers and sisters, we hear the gospel of today where our Lord rebuked and even warned those in power, those in authority, not to lead the people they serve to scandal and even lies, or make themselves also follow their way of life of so many pretenses. There are no greater gods among us. Let us not play the best or the better than thou, more so the holier than thou game. We are all sinners, period. A priest which I look up to always told us not to mind and not to be focused on what people say about us, good or bad. My dear brothers and sisters, what matters is what God says of us, period. We are all sinners, period. And what matters is what God says of us, period.